Welcome viewers to another YouTube tech video. Today we are going to take apart this can and fix this leak. Okay, as you can see here, we got the core. There's nothing really damaged up in here. It's just got a little bit of that wear right there where the rash was. What we're really concerned about is right there with the carbon fiber. One thing we can do is cut this short. And that'll cut all that away, and then we just re-drill for these holes here, and then just re-rivet them. And that should put it back together. Man, I hope I get that bike on track soon. You'll be safe, wash your hands, call your loved ones, say hi to your mom and dad, and enjoy your time with your family.